how to turn on or turn off eye tracking, zoom on keyboard keys on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down, and in here, tap on eye tracking. Then we scroll down and tap on zoom on keyboard keys. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And here it automatically moves the pointer to nearby items. So I'm gonna turn on eye tracking, and we need to set up eye tracking before we can start. And that is the keyboard zoom feature on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.